How to add boarding pass to Apple Wallet. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly add your ticket to Apple Wallet so you can easily access it when you need it. So first, when you purchase your ticket, you will usually receive an email with an electronic copy. So open this email on your iPhone and scroll down to find your e-ticket. Then look for an Add to Apple Wallet button or a file attachment that says that PK Pass. Then, tap on the button or attachment which will then open in your browser. So give it a moment to load and you should see a preview of your ticket with an add option at the top right. Then, tap add and your ticket will be saved in Apple Wallet. So if you don't see it right away, just scroll down in the Wallet app to locate it. So if the pass is expired, it may be landed in the expired passes section. And that's it. Now you can open your wallet app anytime to view and scan your ticket. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.